Hello guys, welcome to this video and welcome to the channel Programmers World. In today's video we are going to discuss how to use the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Yeah, these are the codes tags that are used for the bolding of the text. So let's see what happens. So before starting the video, I would like to tell you that please like the video and subscribe the channel for inconvenience, and whenever I will upload the video you will get the notification. So okay, let's start the video. So on the screen I am on the desktop, so let's use the visual code. So let's continue. So we have opened the visual code. Now as you know, HTML has the uh, codes of the starting and ending, so let's write it. First we have to write the HTML. So we have written it. So next we have to write HTML head. This we have to write. So let's try H1. So H1 is the most boldest text. Bold it is most. H1. Let here we write #1 bold. Anything you can write, whatever you want in bold text you can write it here in H1 tag. #1 bold. Programmers world. So WOR. We have written here Programmers World. So come to the next line and continue with H2. Here we're gonna know what's the function of the H2. So H2 #2. No, sorry, I wrote okay, no problem. #2 dot BOLD bold programmers world. So we have written here, we have completed H2. That may be little less bolder than H1. So you will come to know at the output. Here H3. So here #3. So BOLD programmers world. We have written here. So let's come to H4. Here write #4 dot bold programmers world, I think so. So you may have come to know that little clue that what is the function of the H1, H2, H3, H4. These are the basic. You will come to know that it's too easy. So let's say H5. #5. So add here bold programmers world. H6. Okay, sorry. hashtag 6 dot bold. This h6 can be much less bold. It can be thick text. You may see in the output. Wait, I'll show you. Programmers, you can comment below for whatever video you want. I may show you in the detail. I can explain you, no problem. So we have completed this. Let's see the output. Okay. As per the last video, I have explained that how to save it. So I am saving as it is. File you have to go, then save as, and practice hashtag 2. कल ये practice hashtag 1 बनाया था, आज 2 बनाएंगे. So यहीं पर गलती नहीं करनी. या आप .html करके सेव करना है, तभी आपको आपका ये क्रोम से टैग करके सेव हो जाएगा. सेव कर लिया है हमने. तो अभी इसका आउटपुट देखते हैं. इसका आउटपुट लोकल डिस्क डी में मैंने सेव किया था, वेबसाइट 1. ये आप देख सकते हैं practice hashtag 2. So let's open it. So yeah, so you can see here that I have written a hashtag 1 bold programmer world. This is the h6. This is h6 last one. This is the h5, h4, h3, h2, h1. These are the forms to write the text in the bold form. You can choose whatever the design as you want, and so on. This is the output. I hope you may have liked the video, and subscribe the channel for the next videos and the continuous tutorial for the HTML language. And next I will start about the CSS that can be much better. Okay, then we can stop this video for today, and subscribe the channel for the next videos. Stay tuned. Okay, bye.